In this video, we're learning how to use the Scope module in VCV Rack, a simple but powerful way to see what your patch is doing in real time. Step 1. Add the scope. Right-click anywhere, search for Scope, and select the one from VCV Fundamentals. It gives you two inputs, so you can watch multiple signals at once. Step 2. Patch a signal in. Start with a basic oscillator. Patch the sine wave output from your VCO into input 1 on the scope. You'll see a smooth curve moving across the screen. That's your waveform. Try switching to a square or saw wave and see how the shape changes. Step 3. Adjust the view. Use the time knob to control how fast the signal scrolls and gain to zoom in or out vertically. If things look messy, slow the time down or reduce the scale until the wave becomes clear. Step 4. Learn with random signals. Let's explore something less predictable. Add the VCV Random module. It generates random stepped voltages at a regular clock pulse. Patch its output into Scope. You'll see sudden jumps in the signal. These represent the random voltage changes. It's a great way to visualize modulation, especially when driving filters, pitch, or other parameters. Step 5. Compare signals. Now that you have two signals patched in, one smooth and periodic from the VCO, and one random from the Random module, you can compare how each behaves. Want to go further? Turn random voltages into music. Now for something fun. Random melodies. Here's how. Add a quantizer module from VCV. Send random's output into the quantizer's input. Then patch quantizer's output into your VCO's volt per octave input. What happens? The quantizer snaps those random voltages to notes in a chosen musical scale, like C major or minor pentatonic. Now your oscillator plays a random melody, but it stays in tune. You can watch this melody on the scope too. The waveform will shift up and down as the pitch changes. Why use the scope? Understand what a module is doing, debug silent or broken signals, compare waveforms and modulation shapes, train your eye and ear at the same time. Once you start using it, Scope becomes an essential tool for learning synthesis. That's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll keep building with modulation and routing tricks, and of course, keep using Scope to see it all happen. See you there.